So I got a new camera. I can't wait to show you some of the cool shots and features that it does. But let's hurry up and get through this unboxing. I won't take a lot of your time with that. And make sure you stick around because I have some really cool shots that you're going to see on the upcoming videos of YouTube channel Travel and Talk. Roll the intro and let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to be opening up my Insta360R and showing you everything that Insta360 sent me. Because you've seen other unboxing videos, but there may be some accessories on this table here that you haven't seen. So I'll keep it short and sweet, and then we'll get back to showing you some footage. So let's get it open. Here's the camera, the Insta360 One-R Twin Edition. Packaging is nice. You have the camera here, and underneath you have the Insta360 battery. Now, this is the 360 camera lens, and what's in it already is the single camera lens, just kind of like the regular sport cameras. Just pull this apart here. That comes off. This side has a touch screen on it. We'll get into a feature video where it shows you all these things, but today we want to get this thing powered up and shooting some video. And it includes the 360 lens protector, a case, your selfie stick mount, and your thumb screw. Here's the battery that goes onto the bottom. The camera's in 3 pieces. The battery goes just like this on the bottom. Well, this is with the single lens. Let's change it over to the 360 lens. Take the battery off here and switch it right over to the 360 lens and put the new battery back on. There it is. You have a 360 camera, just like that. Real simple and easy. Can't wait to show you what we're going to do with this thing. We're going to have a good time with this. So that's the camera. Let's move on. Extra battery here. The bullet time card. We're going to have a lot of fun with that. We have the mic adapter, the USB to mic adapter. Here's the Insta360 selfie stick. Let's take this out of the box. Has a nice feel to it. It feels very premium. Nothing plastic or cheap about this at all. And then it extends out pretty good distance. And I also have an Insta360 invisible selfie stick and tripod. Now all these items feel very premium. Check this out. Has a little button on the bottom. It says push, and it's a tripod and a selfie stick. So that'll work out perfectly. Look how long this is. Tripod and a selfie stick. Then you have the unicorn helmet mount. Pretty big mount, sticks on top of your helmet there. This is going to be great, and I think it's really going to help out the camera angles on the video. This is the motorcycle mount bundle, and it has the helmet mount, it has the handlebar mount, and a tail mount. So let's open it up and see. Several sticky pads, several different mounts, thumb screws, a lot of stuff in here. What I really like is this right here, that I can clip that right on my handlebars, or I can clip this on my crash guard. Let me open it up and show you what I'm talking about. I'll be able to clamp this right on the handlebars or on the crash guard, and that's going to give you a really cool view on my riding videos. And here's the smaller helmet unicorn mount. It's a lot smaller. Goes onto the top of your helmet. Here's the adapter that this goes on. The ball goes in there and it tightens, and then you could move it any way you want to move it. The selfie stick can hang off of that. This right here is going to be responsible for some really cool shots because I got some ideas in mind, and you'll see coming up on this video and future videos. Not plastic, high quality attachments. Last but not least, the Insta360 One-R case. Wow, okay, so it has all these compartments. I can throw this right in the saddlebag and I have everything that I need. All right, so that's it. This is the 360 One-R. And now let's go have some fun. great time playing around with this Insta360 Twin Edition, and I look forward to bringing you more content from this camera. 4K, stabilization, waterproof, that's just a few of the features that this camera has. So thank you Insta360 for sending this camera out, and I will put a link in the description below if you'd like an Insta360 1R Twin Edition for yourself. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to know more about it, put it in the comments below, and I will make an in-depth video of all the features of the new Insta360 1R Twin Edition. Make sure that you subscribe because I have a full motorcycle video on my street glide on the Foothills Parkway using the Insta360 1R Twin Edition that I think you're really going to enjoy. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.